Congratulations for taking the first step towards becoming unflappable and participating in the 2023 Eco Winter Camp at Sagg Eco Village. If you are a participant yourself or if you are a parent, then your children are not only going to have an amazing time and lots of fun and unwind here with us, but they are also going to recharge themselves and participate in several facilitated indoor and outdoor activities that are hands-on and that will put them back in touch with themselves and with nature and culture. They are going to form new bonds with new friends, and they are going to live in cozy, warm spaces and have delicious, healthy foods. Our facilitators are experienced, and we have been doing these camps for several years and have had excellent feedback. And the participants are also going to learn a lot about how to take charge of their thinking and how to take care of themselves, how to express themselves better, and how to set and achieve goals. They are going to learn these basic life skills, and they are going to practice adaptability and courage and teamwork. So we have limited seats. Don't wait, you're on the right track. Click the link below and register now. All the best.